Welcome to Spring Lib.
In this question, first I will draw a figure to explain the data given. So consider that this is a ground, and on this ground there are two balls. So consider that this is a first ball and this is a second ball, and now in the question it is saying that the mass of first ball is, that is m1 is equal to 0.5 kg, and the mass of second ball is, that is m2 is given, that is equal to 1 kg. And now in the question further information is, that is the first ball is going to collide with the second ball with speed, that is u1 given, that is equal to 5 meter per second, and after collision what going on is, that is they both are stick to each other, that means they are now clinging to each other. So I can say that here after collision the mass will be added. So you can see that this is a first ball and this is a second ball, so they are stick to each other after collision. So I can say that the mass will be, that is for this new condition after collision, I can say that m1 plus m2. And in the question it is saying that after the clinging the final velocity is for this two body, that is equal to 0, that means they are motionless as in the question given. So here final velocity, or I can say that final speed after collision will be equal to 0. So now in the question it is asking that we have to find velocity of 1 kg block, that means second ball before collision. So now let's start answering this question. So in the answer, first I will consider that velocity of second ball before collision is, that is u2. So after considering, that is u2 meter per second, so after considering this velocity, or I can say that in speed, then next step is apply a law of linear conservation of linear momentum. So according to this law, the linear momentum before collision will be equal to linear momentum after collision. So here at the left side I will write the linear momentum before collision. So it will be written as, that is m1 u1 plus m2 u2 is equal to, now linear momentum after collision will be written as, that is, you can see that in the figure that after collision they are stick to each other. So that means here you can see that mass is added, and final speed is, that is v is equal to 0. So here I will write the right side, that is linear momentum after collision. So it will be written as, that is m1 plus m2 times of v. So now next step is, that is substitute the data in the question given, that is m1 is, in the question given m1 is equal to 0.5 kg, m2 is given, that is 1 kg, and u1 is given, that is equal to 5 meter per second, and u2 is we have to find out, and v is that is also given, that is equal to 0 meter per second. So after substituting this data in above step, then it will be written as result will be, that is m1 u1 will be, that is 0.5 times of u1 is, that is 5, plus m2 u2 will be written as, that is 1 times of u2 is equal to m1 plus m2. That means I can say that 0.5 plus 1, that means 1.5 times of v will be, that is 0. So now simplify it, then I will get the value of u2, that is equal to minus 2.5 meter per second. So after getting this result, conclusion is, that is velocity of, or I can say that speed of second ball is, that is 2.5 meter per second before collision, and direction will be written as, that is opposite to direction of motion of first ball, because you can see that in the result there is a negative sign is come. So I can say that the direction will be, that is opposite to direction of motion of first ball. So that means in the figure you can see that if this first ball is going in this direction, then the velocity for second ball will be, that is in this direction. So now you can see that I had solved the question completely. So this is the answer of given question. Thank you.